Well, my name is BTF Rose, and today we will get to our final video presentation in BTF 101. I'm going to talk about chapter 10, Money Matters. So I'm going to talk about it in an accounting point of view. Well, since I'm an accounting major, so I decided to talk about it in an accounting point of view. So today I'm going to define money. I'm going to define money matters. Then I'm gonna talk about the different terms we have in that chapter. We have for budget, loan, principal, term, grants, and scholarships. So I'm gonna talk about them, and then I'm gonna conclude. So let's get started. Okay. Money is a liquid asset used to facilitate transactions of value, and it is used as a medium of exchange between individuals and entities. And it is also a store of value and a unit of account that can be measured, that can measure the value of goods and services in an economy. So money matters refers to the importance and significance of financial issues and considerations in various aspects of life. It implies that financial decisions, transactions, and management have a substantial impact on individuals, businesses, and society as a whole. Money matters encompass a wide range of topics, including personal finance, budgeting, investment, debt management, accounting, economic policies, and financial planning. Okay, as an accountant, these terms hold significant relevance and importance in the financial landscape. So each term represents a different aspect of financial management, and the understanding and application are crucial to ensuring sound financial health for individuals and organizations. So that's the reason why I decided to talk about this topic. That's because it's a crucial topic about financial things in an economy and in an enterprise as a whole. So that's the main reason I decided to talk about this. And okay, so now that I've defined money and money matters, I'm gonna talk about the different terms. That's budget, loan, principal, term, grant, and scholarship. Okay, budget. I'll start with budget. From an accountant's perspective, a budget is a fundamental tool used to plan and control financial activities. Budgeting allows business to set financial goals, monitor performance, and make informed decisions based on financial data. As an accountant, I recognize the critical role of budgeting in maintaining financial discipline and achieving financial objectives. So secondly, I'm going to talk about loan. So loans play a central role in accounting, as they represent both liability for borrowers and an asset for lenders. Accountants must record and track loans accurately, including the principal amount, interest, and repayment schedule. Responsible loan management is essential to avoid financial distress and maintain a positive financial standing. So thirdly, I'm going to talk about principal. For an accountant, the principal refers to the initial amount of money involved in a financial transaction, such as a loan or investment. Tracking and accounting for the principal amount accurately are crucial to ensuring the viability and the validity of financial statements and reports. So additionally, I'm going to talk about term. So in accounting, the word term, that's the term often refers to the duration of a financial arrangement, such as a loan or investment. Accountants must consider the term's impact on financial planning and analyze how it affects cash flow, interest expense, and overall financial performance. So moreover, I'm going to talk about grants. As an accountant, handling grants involves meticulous accounting and reporting. Grants are typically subject to specific restrictions on how the funds can be used, requiring careful tracking and documentation. Accountants play a vital role in ensuring compliance with grants conditions, accurate financial reporting, and demonstrating the proper use of funds for the intended purposes. So lastly, I'm going to talk about scholarship. From an accountant's perspective, scholarships represent a type of financial aid provided to students. Properly accounting for scholarship ensures transparency in educational institutions' financial records and helps manage funds allocated for educational support. Accountants must accurately record scholarship awards and disbursements to facilitate smooth operations and track the impact of scholarships on an institution's financial performance. So all things considered, now that I've talked about the different terms in an accounting point of view, I'm gonna conclude. So all things considered, from an accountant's viewpoint, these terms underscore the importance of accuracy, accountability, and financial planning. Whether it's budgeting to meet financial goals, managing loans and grants, or accounting for principal amounts and scholarship, a meticulous and detail-oriented approach is essential. As an accountant, my role is to ensure that financial transactions are properly recorded, analyzed, and reported to support informed decision-making and sustainable financial success. Well, thank you for listening. I'm very happy you listened to my own opinion about this topic, and yeah, I really love this topic because I love what I'm doing, and my greatest dream is to become an accountant, and I saw this topic very interesting. Thank you. Bye.